I'm tight. I just made a whole video testing out a breakfast that I made, but I'm gonna put you guys on real quick. So it's post leg day, okay? You can already see that I already ate half my bread, well, half my toast. I'm gonna tell you guys what I did. Cause it's fucking fire. Like, I'm tight that my first video, like, my reaction was, when I say it's crack, it's crack. So, I don't know if you guys have seen the whole breakfast idea of sourdough bread, avocado, cottage cheese, chili flakes, like chili sauce, and then, well, the chili crunch, sorry, and then hot honey on top. That shit's fire. Okay, so I did all that, right? But look at this. I made this with grilled chicken, not grilled chicken, ground chicken. So I did all that, but I put grilled chicken on top. El final, you guys don't understand. I just, mm, like, I don't know how people can skip meals. Do you know how fucking good food tastes? Like, I could never. I could fucking never. But try this out. Mm, like, you hear the crunch? And then, so the way I season the chicken too, girl. Okay, so I've been eating a lot of ground chicken. Mm, I'm so sorry. This is so good. So I've been seasoning my ground chicken. Diablo. Mhm. All right, so I've been seasoning my ground chicken um with complete seasoning, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, oregano, and y'all know I love my ranch powder with ranch powder. But what has been keeping it like nice and juicy, especially that I'm making it for the week, and obviously I'm not big on reheating food, um, especially like chicken and stuff because I feel like it can get dry. Sorry, I sound like a fucking. I'm not even gonna say what I sounded like, but um, I've been adding chicken broth to it. And when I tell you it keeps the chicken so fucking moist and juicy that like you could reheat it for a whole week and it just doesn't dry up. So like the all the flavors are just there and it's just like get it. But try that out. Try this out and let me know how you like it. Mm.